Yo, what's good? I'm about to go pick up my control arms. I messaged Brian earlier, but I'm not sure if he can do it or not. Yo, it's hot as hell outside. I don't know if you can see me, I feel like doing all that focus and shit, but another thing too, like, I was gonna ask Vix Rex to join Humbly Driven, but he has so much stuff that he's doing, like, I don't want to burden him, because I need someone, like, full-time who's, like, fully dedicated. I mean, he didn't say he would be, he didn't say he would or wouldn't be fully dedicated, but it's just, like, I know he has a girlfriend and all this other stuff, so I want someone who's, like, because, like, he's perfect. Like, he's perfect. Like, his attitude is everything. But I'm gonna still incorporate him with Humbly Driven. There's certain stuff, so. And he always supported me, so, yeah. So I went to Target. I got this. Undershirts. I got socks, which I need. And the main thing that I really need was this. It's Secret Clinical Strength. I got like 3 of them. Like, all this shit added up to like 66 something. Yo, living on your own is crazy. But it's like 2 more I got. Got my mom a birthday card. Today is her birthday, which is May the 30th. But yeah, so and I went to Honda. I got all my parts, so everything totaled up to like 137, which is cheaper than I thought it was. So I got the control arm and like bushings and stuff like that. I want to go to school, but then I don't. This is the link for the control arm and shit. It's another link. But I really wanted to go aftermarket for like, cause you know, bushings. And the guy I was talking to, he said Honda Accords and Honda Pilots. These are the nuts and shit. These are the bushings. Pilots, he said they go out pretty quick. Yeah, man. I really do. I don't want to build this car, like I said. So I'm not even going. I was going to lower it and put some like wheels, maybe get like ambit wheels. Cause I've been ever since TJ, when he first started making car videos, he used like ambit wheels, and I like ambit wheels. I'm like, my name brand that I like, as far as like wheels and stuff like that, would be Workmeisters and some BBSs. I don't like all BBSs, and it's another one I can't think of right now, cause it's hot as hell. When it's hot, I can't think. I'm a cold baby. But yeah, that's really it. Oh, another thing too, like, dude, I was in Target, right? This lady, she kept saying sir. I mean, I understand because from the back I do look like a guy and all that, but she kept saying sir, and then she was like, ma'am. And I turned around, because I heard her when she was saying sir, but she was like, ma'am. So then she was like, ma'am, the thing's open. But when I walked off, went to go register my stuff, see, this is how you can tell I'm maturing and growing up, because she was like talking shit to the lady she was with about something. She said something smart. I forgot what the hell it was, but me, my old self, I would have cursed her out, saying if you got something to say, you can say it to my face. But yo, people think just because you're in a public place, like, people won't lash out. Like, one day these people gonna do that. I'm trying not to curse, do that stuff to the wrong person, and they're gonna punch them in their face. See, I could have been ignorant, like I used to be, like young, wild, and crazy, and said something smart and cursed her out, but I didn't. But yeah, I can't stand people, bro. Like, that's what's wrong with this world. That's why this world can't get better, because we have people like that. But I don't mean to rant and all that stuff. I'm sorry I'm always preaching, but it's just like, I don't want to hold it in, because when I hold it in, I get angry, and that makes me lash out. So like, people, that's another reason too. Like, this is gonna be like, there's some stuff I wanted to say in like other vlogs, but I never had the time. But you know, this is why like people in the DMV car scene do not like me or whatever, because like, I don't really use my personal page. I don't. So I post everything on like Humbly Driven. So it was like, and I'm very blunt with what I say. Like, I'm very blunt and straight to the point. Like, that's why a lot of people don't like me, because I tell the truth. I speak from my heart. I tell it how it is. If you don't like it, you know, that's your problem. People just make you angry, bro. People, like, it's like they want you to like step out of character. I'm out. I'm not sure how long this vlog is, but I'm about to edit some videos, and yeah, I'm tired as hell. I got like an hour sleep, but which is good, because so I can go to sleep later tonight. But
the next day.
Yo, what's up? I need to do something about my hair, man. I need to cut it. Gonna meet up with someone who I actually look up to. Who, I don't know if he wants to be in the vlog, but he said I can vlog. But someone I look up to as far as like builds and stuff like that. And like, what's crazy is, like, we kind of have similar personalities, but when I'm around people that, like, I know but I don't know, but then, like, I look up to them as far as, like, in, like, the car community, or just in general, like, I get nervous, like, I don't have anything to say.
1 hour later.
Yeah. Woo. Living my best life. This the best life. I don't mean no harm. Yeah. Okay. Let's get it on. Got my mind on that pot of gold. You ain't feeling what I'm feeling, I'ma hit the road. Get that shit on my own too. If we talking about cars, well I own two. Got a gray one, got a blue too. Get up and go grind, what I will do. Take a trip to Miami though. Just me and my family though. Hit my homie on the cell phone.
I forgot to end it yesterday because for some reason my camera was messed up. Just noticed my dumb ass accidentally turned off the autofocus, so like when I press the shutter, like it doesn't focus. But like, which is good because I kind of just figured out like how to manually focus, like if I absolutely necessarily have to. But I'm gonna start learning that more. But I still don't know everything about a camera. I still don't know the numbers and all that shit, what all that shit means. But yo, so shout out to Brian. I thought I was gonna have to buy a whole new camera, which I want to do because this autofocus is really loud and it's not that good, and the camera quality is starting to go down, and I also have like a dead pixel. But anyways, shout out to the homie Boosted Brian. But anyway, I'm out. Peace. Stay humble, stay driven. F cancer. Peace.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.